Welcome back to our channel. Today we an exciting mini welding project to share with you. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of welding in a compact and efficient manner. Whether you are beginners or an experienced welder, this project is perfect for honing your skills. We will cover the essential tools and safety precautions followed by the actual welding process. You will have a clear understanding of how to complete this project successfully. So grab your welding gear and get whether you are seems welder you are starting out. Video provide valuable insight. We will explore the essential of choosing the right welding equipment, discuss the various type of welding process, and demonstrate step by step how to create strong and clean weld. Additionally, we will emphasize the importance of safety gear and best practice to ensure your welding experience is not only provide but also ensure. Let's ignite the spark of creativity in the welding adventure. Showcasing the artistry of joining metal in compact, efficient manner will be demonstrating each step with precious, making the most of your time and attention for selecting the right material and safety gear to mastering welding techniques. This project will be comprehensive guide to all the continue to limit so let ignite a spark of get started in this electrifying welding adventure. Truly impressed with just a small welding machine, either you are new welding or looking for a quiet and fun project is one won't want to meet, so grab your safety gear, fire up the welders, and let's dive into the world of DIY magic. The driver comprehensive guide is just a few minutes. We will be tackling in the and out of a fascinating welding endeavor, considering it into the bite-sized package. So grab your gear and get ready for a welding adventure that will not take up your whole attention. Let's dive into the mini welding masterpieces. We will diving into the fascinating world of welding techniques and safety precautions. Either you are seeing welder or just starting out, this video will provide valuable insight. We will explore the essential of choosing the right weld equipment, discussing the various type of welding processes, and demonstrate step by step how to create strong and clean welds. Additionally, we will emphasize the importance of safety gear and best practice to ensure your welding experience is not only productive but also ensure. But also so grab your safety goals, put on your welding goals, and let ignite a spark of creativity in the welding adventure. We will uncover the essential tools, safety precautions followed by the actual welding process. By the end of this video, you have clear understanding of how to complete the project. Thank you so much for watching this video.